Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brands. Today, it is my Boxycharm for March. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe down below if you have not yet. There's also a little blue join button right down there that you can click for information about becoming a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. If you are unfamiliar with the Boxycharm box, this is a $27.99 monthly beauty subscription where you'll receive 5 full-size products, and they include all forms of beauty, hair, makeup, etc. So we are going to dive in. This look is going to be coming very, very soon. I'm kind of obsessed with it. Y'all know yellow is my favorite color. I love this look. Alright, and the box is extremely heavy this month. Alright, this month says Boxycharm Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. And then the back will have the pertinent details. We are not going to look at that just yet. And right here you will see my box version. I'll hold it here so you can take a screenshot if need be. Right on top I see something from Ofra. I really like Ofra a lot. It is a really pretty pink palette. It is the Mini Mix palette, Charm Your Cheeks. Whoa, that's hard for me to say. No! Alright, it has 6 blushes and a couple of them actually got pretty dinged up. I don't think that's necessarily their fault. Things happen in transit. I really like all the different shades here. I feel like it's quite inclusive. I'm really excited to test this out. I really do love Ofra products. A little disappointed that a couple of the shades are a little bit screwed up, but I'm super excited to have it and I will be keeping that. Everything else looks like skincare, just briefly glancing. Next is an Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm with sea fruit and super berries. I've tried an oil before from Earth Harbor and it was really nice, so we will read on this. Next is Vike, I hope that's how you say it, Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray. Oh, with skincare actives, clean and nourish. I've actually never tried one of these. I know that Patrick Starr's line has one of these, and I can go ahead and use it. And I will go ahead and test this out for you guys. I'll go ahead and pop that in right here somewhere, and then give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Pretty cool, okay? I'm intrigued by that. Next up is Aceology. I've definitely heard of them, and their lip treatment that we've gotten in the past was amazing. It is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. I'll read up on this. If this is more like clay or something like that, then I will pay it forward, of course. And then last but not least, darlings, is a Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask with coconut oil and muru butter. I don't need it. And before anybody says, you can use it with short hair, y'all, my hair is just au naturel. I don't put any product in it whatsoever. Ever since I shaved it, I just don't mess with it at all. So I just personally have no use for this. I mean, it sounds great. So we have hair, skin, technically makeup-ish. I call this a makeup tool. How about y'all? And then we have a palette. So I don't mind it. But I know if we are box twins and you're a more like makeup heavy subscription box fan, you probably hated your box this month. All right, we're gonna go over some Deets. We have our little Ofra palette. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. Don't stare directly at your cheeks while wearing this hypnotizing blush palette. Made with Ofra's liquid to baked tech, this 6-pan blush palette is long wearing and ultra pigmented, with shades from alluring baby pinks to electrifying orange. Hit pan, remix, or refill all of your favorite shades in this magnetic and completely refillable palette. I really like that as well, and that's $39. I feel like that's pretty fair. A lot of the blush palettes that I have from like Benefit or Lunar Beauty are around this kind of price point, so I'm not mad at that. I really like this. Next up is our Aceology, the Detoxifying Treatment Mask, a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. This charcoal antibacterial and purification powers are unrivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum, oils, and dirt. And the antioxidant-laden botanicals balance and protect your skin for a poreless and flawless texture. And that is $69. I'm probably not going to keep this. For me, I have very dry, dehydrated skin. So if I use anything like clays, charcoals, things like that, I really feel like they over dry my skin. And of course I can go in and I can nourish and I can moisturize after the fact, but they're just not my favorite. I don't mind having it. And for $69, I guess it's good to have in the box. Next up is our Earth Harbor Naturals Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. As sea fruits and tropical super berries playfully melt across your face with this balm, they insert a lively abundance of vitamins C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet, and it's $38. I'm still unclear on what it is. Is it just more like a moisturizer, but it's a balm, so it keeps you more hydrated? Let's see. It says, as a moisturizer, emulsify a tiny dollop between your fingertips and gently massage into the face, neck, and décolleté. So it's definitely more just like a balmy, I guess, overnight mask or moisturizing mask. They are cruelty-free and vegan. I'm happy about that. That's fine to have. Next up is our Vike Beauty Makeup Melt, a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and the Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home, and that is $24. And of course, you would have seen me use this. And then last up is our Style Dry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. This super hair mask is enriched with coconut oil and murumuru butter for healthy, hydrated, and glossy hair. It's the must-have hair mask to nourish your hair deeply and give you the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will be moisturized, silky, and shiny as ever before. And it is $16.95. I feel like that's super fair, and it's a pretty big size as well. Of course, I will tally up our total and put it all right here. What did you guys think? I already know my beauty lovers, my makeup lovers are like, no, I don't like this box that much. I don't mind it. It's not my favorite. I am happy to have gotten a palette, and I'm pretty intrigued by some of these products. I've never tried any of these products aside from trying Ofra out. So yeah, I mean, I'm okay. It's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. I'm satisfied with it. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.